Traditionally speaking, St. Patrick's Day is about joining in, wherever you are. Traditionally speaking, there wasn't much tradition to 2020. This year is different. This year, we're stealing the march back on March, making up for lost time with good times, and putting Paddy's Day back on the map while we're at it. So let's get set. To share a glass, a tune, some Irish spirit. To share connection once again. And a toast to raising the roof together. This St. Patrick's Day, Jameson invites you to join in, wherever you are.